by me, Alex. The goal is to measure if something, in this case people, is close to the house when it will set off an alarm. I use LEDs, piezo buzzers, resistors, and a Raspberry Pi, M2M wires, an ultrasonic sensor, and use Python coding. I also made a cardboard box for my house alarm. I programmed the ultrasonic sensor to measure how close something is. Then, if it's too close, it will set off the buzzer and light 5 LEDs. I accidentally programmed 2 LEDs, so when the person goes close to it, goes a certain amount of distance, those 2 LEDs will light up. And I only wanted one of them to light up. And I wanted to have the other LED light up when the person is standing in a different place. Demo. Thanks for watching. If you go a certain distance, there's 1 LED, then there's 2 LEDs, 3 LEDs, 4 LEDs, and then 5 LEDs, and then the buzzer is on.
Okay, can you tell us what those numbers are on the screen?
Oh, that's the distance of the sound traveling to my hand and back.
The distance. Okay, perfect. Does anyone have any questions for him?
No.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.